Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you what is System.out.println in Java programming. Now it is the very important point in interviews and as well as point of exams. That means it is a commonly used question. What is the meaning of System.out.println in Java programming? Now let's go to the detailed description for this one. Now that is what is a system.out.println. In this one we are using system. The system is the name of the class. That means this regarding this one we may discuss detailedly, that is regarding the system class. System class contains several useful class fields and methods, and it cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot allocate the memory to this class. Next, it is available in the java.lang package. Now let's go to the details about the fields of system class. That we have the three important fields in system class. One is ERR field. That means it is the standard error output stream. Next one is in, the standard input stream. Third one is out, the standard output stream. It is used for generating the output stream. Now let's go to check what is out. Already I told you out is the static field in the system class. Later let's go to check what is the println. The println is the name of the method which is available in the print stream class. Let's go to check and write the code regarding system.out.println. For doing that I am using the Eclipse IDE. In the Eclipse IDE, go to the project. Now I am selecting a project. In this one I am using Control N, that is to create the new class. Now it is in this one I am creating the name, that is creating a class. We have to provide the name of the class, that is I am giving this class name as SOP demo. Then SOP demo is the name of the class. Let's go and write the coding for this one. It is opening the coding window. To insert the main method, you can write the main and use control space. It automatically inserts main method. Now later, what are the different ways to use the standard output stream, that is system.out. The procedure is actually system is the name of the class and out is the static field. So we have to call system.out, whereas the system out field is returning the print stream object. So we have to use print stream pst equals to system.out. Now actually the print stream is available in the java.io package, so import java.io package. Yes. Later I am using the pst, that means it is the object of print stream. In the print stream we have the methods called print or println. If you want to use the print method, you can directly use print with the string, like I am giving as hello. Later if you want to print the information in the new line, that is you have to call the method is either pst.println of hello. Later you can also call various methods like pst.println with integer number like 1 2 3 4 I have given. Like you can also use pst.println of boolean value, like I am giving as true. And this is the procedure. Actually we have to use the out field of the system class, which is returning the object of print stream. From that print stream I am calling the methods either print or println, and the same thing is a shortcutted in the usage of system.out.println. Print like hello Eclipse IDE by writing sys out, then it automatically inserts you the system.out.println after pressing the control space. Later you can enter hello. Yes, this is the different ways to use the system.out.println. Again, I am reminding you, system is the name of the class and out is the static field in the system class, whereas it is returning the print stream object. In the print stream object or print stream class, we have the various methods like a print and println. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the code. Thank you for watching this video.